Namaste. Hi guys, Sat Sri Akal, Adab, Namaste. This is Glenn, the van boy. So आज ਆਪਾਂ जा रहे हैं बहुत ही सोनी जगह ते. Today I'm going to beautiful place, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today I'm going to Lake Waikaremoana. It's a beautiful place, like a heaven. And in this video, I'm gonna show you some good views and I'm gonna give you some good information. So watch my video till end and stay with me. So Lake Waikaremoana is a beautiful lake and beautiful place. It's like a heaven. And जगह ते बहुत सोहनी है जिथे आप जाना लेक बहुत सोहनी है but the journey जेडे रावां थानी आप जाना वा journey gonna be more beautiful because we have to go through jungles, we have to go through the mountains. Gonna be beautiful journey, so stay with me, watch full video and I'm gonna give you good information. So now I'm at Urewera. More half an hour drive, then we're gonna enter in mountains, in jungle. Woohoo! Oh, my gas tank is still full. I don't need a gas, but I think one gas station coming. I will get some gas from there because I wanna keep my tank full. I think this one is a gas station. It looks like a dead town. That's a gas station. This looks like a close. So that's the last gas station. After that it's a mountain gonna start, so you can't get the gas after that. So I think this is a close, but one gas station at the back. It's a town name is Marapuru or Murupara, something like that. It's a BP there. It's not far from here. It's only maybe 2-3 kilometers. So that's last BP and then this, but this is closed. I don't know what time they close. So yeah, so but my tank is full. I don't worry about that. I don't need worry about that. So after this town, it's a Murupara, and after this town, mountain gonna start. We have to go through the mountain. So you can see, just wait out. Oh man, look at this beautiful view. Big mountains are coming, big green mountains. So make sure fill up your gas before start journey through the mountains. It looks so beautiful. Because I don't think so any gas station coming on after that. Because I have to go now, I have to go through the mountains like 100 kilometers because the Lake Waikaremoana is still around 80 kilometers left from here. Oh man, look at this beautiful, look at this road, it's like a snake. Be careful when you drive on this road, you can't do overspeeding. जंगल 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 बात चली है पता चला है चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है. It looks so beautiful and very quiet, and especially I'm lucky in New Zealand कोई भी ऐसा खतरनाक एनिमल नहीं हैगा न्यूजीलैंड ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਅਟੈਕ ਕਰ ਦੂਗਾ New Zealand is a very safe country. Now gravel roads start. I noticed that it's very hard to drive on gravel road, especially when you go downhill. Oh, look at this horse. Oh, beautiful horse. It's look like a wild horse. I don't know, maybe it's belonged to someone, but it's beautiful. Oh man, look at this jungle. Pura ghana jungle. It's look very natural and adventure, but I'm sure if you drive night time it's gonna be scary and it's not as safe. It's not gonna be safe drive if you come in night time. Don't drive in night time in this area, especially in this area, because if anything happen you can't get help. I think so, because I haven't seen any human, any car in last 1 hour. So that's why don't drive in night, especially in this area, in this forest. Otherwise you're gonna stuck, you can't get help if anything happen with your car. And especially when you come, be prepared, bring all tools, like bring tools like a survival tools, so you can survive in this jungle if anything happen. And ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਆਉਣਾ 2 ਜਣੇ ਆਓ. It would be better if you guys comes in group, like 2 people. Bring your friend. Oh man, look at this big mountains. I'm on the hill now. It's too deep here. Oh man, easily anybody can lost here. Look at this, too deep. Fucking very cold here. बहुत ही ठंड है इत्थे क्योंकि ਆਪਾਂ पहाड़ां दे उत्ते हैं. We are on the hill and very close to the lake. That's why I think I feel cold. Man, I'm driving since last 3 hours. I leave 2 o'clock from Tauranga and now it's almost 5 o'clock. So 1, 2, 3, 3 hours and we are almost there. Maybe more 10 minutes. In 15 minutes. And मेरे वीर भरा दोवें जाने मीनस मेरे वीर भरा जे किसी ने आना इत्थे कल्ला वही आवे जिहदा बहुत वड्डा दिल है. बट मैनूं लगदा कि अपने जिहड़े इंडियंस मुंडे है ना, they love to stay in the groups. Indians boys, they love to stay in the groups. They know traveling by self, you know that. So whenever you come here, बस आओ इकट्ठे हो गए आओ मुंडे रेत मिल के आओ. कल्ले ना आवे, कल्ले वही आवे जिहड़ा जिहदा वड्डा दिल है, जिहड़ा डरदा नहीं है, जिन्होंने नॉलेज है कि सर्वाइव किदां करना, की चीज़ां दी लोड़ है आपां नूं सर्वाइव करने. So it's a beautiful place. You must come here. So मेरे वीर भरा पंजाबी भैन, पंजाबी भरा, पंजाबी uncle, aunties. So जरूर इत्थे आवे घूमन. If you fucked up, if something happened with your van, your tire flat or whatever, you can't get any help because there's no one here. I haven't seen anyone in the last half an hour. So when you guys come, just be prepared. Bring extra tires. I got an extra 2 tires, and my tank is full, and I got a power bank and my extra battery in my car. So and a big tank of water. So I'm fully prepared. So I see heaps of dead possums on the road. Oh, sad for them. Oh man, look at this. I'm going to downhill. It's hard to drive on gravel road, especially when you go to downhill, because if you're coming fast to downway, so if you press the brake, your car gonna slip. Oh, look at this, I can see lake. Oh, बहुत ही सोनी है, बहुत सोनी lake. It's a beautiful lake. I can see from here. I'm on the hill now, so we have to go downhill, and I have to find the camping site. Where's the camping site? Oh man, look at this, बहुत ही सोनी, calm water. So yeah, finally we are here. This is my camping site. The camping site name is Mokau camping area. So let's go to camping site. Oh man, I was driving since last 3.5 hours. Long drive. I feel tired now, but the journey was so good. Yo, finally we are here, bro. Oh man, where I park my van, it's a good location, fantastic view. So I will show you outside. Let's go outside. Oh, so I'm so tired now. I'm gonna make coffee and maybe dinner. I don't feel hungry, but I had to make dinner. So see you in the next video. Yeah, I wanna make coffee now, and then we can talk. Maybe next video we can talk with the coffee, me and coffee, and we can talk about the lake and views. Yeah, and what kind of activities we can do here. So goodbye. See you in next video, next part number 2. Bye.